Good morning, class. As we have discussed till example 2 in the last class of exercise 12.1, now in this class I am going to discuss example number 3 of exercise 12.1 and some questions of exercise. So, chapter 12, that is algebraic expressions. Exercise 12.1 and example number 3rd. So example number 3rd is state with reason which of the following pairs of terms are of like terms and which of the following are of unlike terms. So first is 7x and 12y. Clearly it is a pair of unlike terms because the variables are different in the terms. So now the second is 15x and minus 21x. It is a pair of like terms because the variables are same in the terms. Now the third one is minus 4ab and 7ba. So it is also a pair of like terms because the variable in the terms are same. Order of the variable can be different, but the variable is same. And the fourth one is 3xy and 3x. So it is a pair of unlike terms because the variables in the term are different. Now note down Example 3, fifth part. Six x y square and 9x square y. It is a pair of unlike terms because the powers of the variables are different. Sixth one, pq square and minus 4 pq square. So it is a pair of like terms because the variables as well as powers are same. Note it down. Now I am going to solve questions of exercise. Question number first. Get the algebraic expression in the following cases using variables, constant and arithmetic operations. So we have to write the algebraic expression for the statement. So first statement is subtraction of z from y. Subtraction of z from y. So we have to subtract z from y. And the second one half of the sum of number x and y. So first we have to write the sum of x and y and 1 by half of that. So here the third is the number z multiplied by itself. One-fourth of the product of numbers p and q. The product of the numbers p and q is this, and 1 by 4th of that. So it is written as 1 by 4 into pq, or pq by 4 also. And fifth is numbers x and y both squared and added. We have to write the square of number x, that is x square, and y square also, and both will be added. Now the sixth is number 5 added to 3 times of the product of number m and n. First we have to write the product of m and 3 times of it, and 5 is added. So So mn, the product of m and n is mn, and 3 times of it is 3mn, and in it 5. So 3mn plus 5. Seven. Product of numbers yz and subtracted from 10. We have to subtract product of yz and subtract it from 10. Sum of numbers a and b subtracted from their product. First, write down the product of AB and sum of that. Sum of the number A and B is subtracted from the product of AB. Okay? So, note down. Now the question number 2. Identify the terms and their factors in the following expression. So it is same as example number 1. We have to find the terms and write down the its factor. So the terms and factors by tree diagram. So we have to show it by tree diagram. Question number 2, first part, and of this a part, x minus 3. So here the terms are x and minus 3, and the factors x and 1, and for this minus 3 and 1, and b part 1 plus x square. So here terms are 1, x and x square, and factors are for this 1 and x, and for this 1 x and x square. Note it down. Now I am going to explain only last part of this, and the remaining 2 parts you have to do by yourself. That is E minus AB plus 2B square minus 3A square. So here the factors are minus AB, the terms are First we have to write the terms. The terms are minus AB, 2b square and minus 3a square. And now the factors is minus a, b, minus 1 and minus AB, and here the factors are 2b square. Here the factors are minus 3a square and also 3 minus a square, and here the factors of minus AB is minus 1, a minus a, b minus b, ab and minus ab. So here are the factors. Write it down. Now question number 2, second part. We have to write the terms and factors of the given expression below. Okay. So for first, minus 4x plus 5. Now the terms are minus 4x and 5, and factor of minus 4x is minus 4x minus x, and factor of 5 is 1 and 5. And I am going to explain only 2 parts of it, so A and F, and if you have doubt in other part, then you can ask me in the class. 1.2 AB minus 2.4 B plus 3.6 A. And in this, the terms are 1.2 AB, 2.4 B and 3.6 A, and the factors of 1.2 AB is 1.2 A, B and AB, and factors of minus 2.4 B is minus 2.4 and B, and factors of 3.6 A is 3.6 and A. Now you all can note it down. One more question, that is H part or G. 3 by 4 x plus 1 by 4. Now the terms are 3 by 4 x comma 1 by 4, and the factors of 3 by 4x is equals to x and 3 by 4, and factor of 1 by 4 is 1 by 4 only. Okay, so okay class, now it's all over for today, and we are going to discuss the next question in the next class, and till then your homework is question number 5 and 6 of the same exercise. Thank you so much.